Well, at this rate, it's gonna be a while. What's up, guys? So figured it's about time to change the oil in the car. It's been bugging me the last few times I've taken it out. So it's a really nice day out. Figured why not give it a try. Got all the 9, 10, 11, whatever quarts of oil it takes plus the filter. So we'll go ahead and try it out. Manuals are saying about 9 quarts, 5 drain plugs to get this done. Never done a dry sump on a car before, familiar with them on bikes, so it shouldn't be too hard. Probably the biggest challenge is just trying to jack this thing up to get underneath. See how it goes. First line of business is trying to jack this up, and looking underneath, there are barely any points to grab it, so this will be interesting. Garage full of tools, and it can't even properly lift up the car. So I'm gonna run and go get some ramps or something, put under the tires, because right now it's perched precariously on a jack stand at the center point in the car, and that's just not good. So pause for now, we'll be back. So the race ramps at local auto parts stores and all that are like $50 for a pair. So it'd be $100, and I can't really even use them because the car is not able to roll up that steep. So ended up at Home Depot and just bought a whole bunch of blocks. So that should hopefully get me through, at least with this oil change, until I can get some proper ramps for the car or a lift in the garage. Got a plan to hopefully lift the whole car evenly, so let's see if it works. Cut to time lapse. Alright, second go around, much more successful. Got some concrete blocks under the wheels, all 4 corners, evenly spaced, so it's really no different than, the car's just sitting on its normal suspension points. So I feel it's safe enough to go underneath. Now we'll go pull the aero plate and skid plate and air ducts and everything else that's under there and see where the plugs are. Alright, got the 2 lower aero covers off, and luckily it's actually really clean under there. I don't see any oil leaks so far, and everything looks pretty good. I think I might be able to see the clutch. Hopefully I can measure where I'm at with clutch thickness. See how much life I have left? This is just a huge puzzle. There's so many bolts. It could be an oil drain bolt, like this guy, although I'm pretty sure that's coolant. And then there's one right in there. Another one right up here. And the list goes on. There's just so much down here. Good news is the oil looks relatively clean as it flows out a teaspoon at a time. Alright, so 7 o'clock now. I got all the oil drained while the engine was still hot, but I am missing 3 out of the 5 drain plug crush washers. They didn't come in the kit. I don't know if they're supposed to, but either way, I'm going to stop by the Audi dealer this week, pick up those remaining couple washers, and do it right, fill it up, get it back on the road, and keep having fun.